Here we go. There's a birthday here.
Alright, ready?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Everyone sing to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Christopher.
Watch out.
Happy birthday to you.
Take away.
Sold my cow.
Blow. Boy, blow.
Get them all. You
Again.
missed them.
Again.
Boy, look at all them candles.
Alright.
Boy!
How does that look? Feels like a yummy cake. Spider-Man. Alright. I guess we get to cut the cake now, huh?
Yeah. Great cake, huh? Spider-Man cake.
I think I found this place.
You like that cake?
I think it had its own website.
Oh, yeah. Isn't that nice, CJ?
Yeah.
Nice.
Spider-Man sticks on walls.
Yeah, he does.
Why a stick knife? We have a bread
That
knife.
looks like a real good cake.
I'm just saying, it's
So you got happy birthday.
Alright. Spider-Man candle. Do you want to lick the candle? Here, take it.
Oh boy. Gets to lick all the candles on the cake?
It's tradition.
Absolutely. Just don't eat the candles.
Nope. It's not going to taste very good. We got some wax on the cake. Trying not to eat anyway. Alright. Want Mommy to help you cut the first piece? Alright. Here. Hold it like that. And cut down like that. Alright. Down like that. And you pull under like this. And pull the piece out like that.
Oh boy, look at that. Yummy. Cake.
Cake. You want Mommy to cut the rest? Okay. Alright, here you go.
You get the first piece.
Want some milk to drink? Okay.
Is that good?
And your birthday boy Spider-Man cup? Let me get him, pour him some milk in the cup, please.
That good cake? Oh yeah.
He can have his cake and eat it too.
Mm-hmm.
That sure takes the cake. Making this birthday party was a piece of cake. I'm here all night.
Alright. Anybody else want a piece of cake?
Yeah, I'll have a piece. Thank you.
Ryan, you want a piece of cake?
No, thank you.
Have a piece of cake.
I'm not in a cakey mood. I'm full of McDonald's. She never listens to me. A lot of milk. Can you handle that milk?
Alright.
Good boy.
How old are you now?
5.
5? Alright. Alright, you can turn it off.
Alright, press the same button.
Hold it down here.